Downloading firmware update files. Log in to the Elk Connect app to download firmware update files. Tap the Download Firmware Files button at the bottom. A list of available firmware files will be displayed. Select the desired update files, then tap Download. Wait for the files to download, then tap Complete. Downloaded firmware files are stored on the mobile device. We recommend downloading new firmware as it becomes available so you will have it when you need it. Updating panel firmware. The Elk Connect app must be connected to the panel over the local network to perform firmware updates to panel or bus devices. To prepare for the update, the app sends a command instructing the panel to reset into bootloader mode. The connection from the app to the panel will be lost while the panel reboots into bootloader mode. After the app has entered bootloader mode, reconnect the app over the local network to complete the update. Tap Start Local Discovery to search for panels on the local network. It may take a moment for the list to populate. Select the desired panel from the list to connect. Enter the installer PIN when prompted. From the main menu, select System Settings. Tap the eye icon at the top. Tap Update Firmware. When prompted to reboot the panel, tap Yes. The panel will reboot. Observe the R on the 7-segment display. The 7-segment display will show BL indicating the panel is in bootloader mode. From the main menu on the login screen, select Settings, then Discover Local Systems. Select the panel from the list. The system name will be ELK-E27 followed by the last 4 digits of the MAC address. Enter the installer code to connect to the panel. Tap Update Panel Firmware. Select the E27 CB firmware, then tap Update. A progress bar will be displayed. Wait for the update to complete. When the update is complete, the panel will reboot again. The panel will reinitialize after the update. This process may take several minutes. After the panel reboots, establish a local connection to the panel. Verify the firmware update. Go to System Settings from the main menu, tap the eye icon to go to the Details page, and verify the new firmware version. Updating firmware in a bus device. When updating the firmware in a bus device, the app loads the firmware to the panel, then the panel pushes the new firmware to the bus device. From the main menu, select Bus Devices. Select the bus device to be updated. Tap the eye icon to go to the Details page. Tap Update Firmware. Select the correct update firmware version, then tap Update. The app will save the firmware to the panel. A progress bar will be displayed. When the progress bar reaches 100%, the panel will send the update to the device. Watch the 7-segment display for a counter. When the counter reaches 9, the update is complete. In the app, use the back button to navigate away from the Details page. Go back to the bus device and tap the eye icon to verify the firmware version.
For more support videos and documents, please visit the Alarm Engine Knowledge Center.